Hello superhero fans. The new Superman movie is dropping in theaters on this Friday, July 11, and it's kicking off the new DC universe in style. In this video, I'm going to tell you everything you need to know before watching Superman, the casting to the plot of the movie, the direction's vision, and everything you need to know about. Stick around, hit the subscribe button, and let's start the video. This Superman movie is fresh start to a new universe of DC. Davis Cornsfeld, known for his role in movie Pearl and Twisters, was stepping in the movie and he was playing the iconic role of Clark Kent as Superman. And as we know, James Gunn was the director and the writer of the movie. He's very extraordinary and I love this director too much. As we know, he directed the Guardians of the Galaxy trilogy and more of the movies, and I love all his work. Rachel Brosnahan from the marvelous Miss Marvels, playing the role of Lois Lane, the reporter in the movie and the lover of Clark Kent, our Superman. Nicholas Hoult, who you might know from X-Men movies, he played the role of Beast in this movie. He takes the role of Lex Luthor, the main villain of this movie, and we are all looking for it. Also in this movie we see Scarlett Gildon as Jimmy Olsen, Isabel Marchand as Hawkgirl, Nathan Fillion as Guy Gardner, the Green Lantern, Eddie Gathick as Mr. Terrific, and Anthony Cargan as Metamorpho. And don't forget about Krypto, the super dog of Superman. Without spoiling any story to you people, I would like to tell you that this movie isn't any kind of origin story of Superman. Clark's been a superhero for 3 years in the movie, and he's balancing his life of as a Kryptonian to the earth with humans, and he's doing very well till now. The story dives into the life of Superman as the reporter in Daily Bugle and his romance with Lois Lane. And according to the trailers, Lois Lane already know that Clark Kent was Superman, and our Clark Kent was clashing with Lex Luthor, the main villain of the movie. The movie was action-packed, also with the humor and heartwarming scenes, and all of these things were wrapped with the kindness, hope, Superman as a symbol of hope among the people. In the trailer we can see there was also a big kaiju who was destroying Metropolis, the main city of Superman, and he's trying to save the people and kind of more things. And as usual, we know people were always against the good person, so we can see there were people who were against the Superman and they don't like him. And on the other hand, we can see people were watching Superman as a symbol of hope. Also, the movie was inspired from All-Star Superman comic book, which represents Superman as a symbol of hope. So we also have James Gunn, the director and writer of Superman movie. He was a genius behind Guardians of Galaxy trilogy, The Suicide Squad, and other more movies. Now he is here for Superman. He reboots the DC universe with this movie, kicking off chapter 1, Gods and Monsters. This is a clean slate with no connection to past films but ties to the animated show Creature Commando. If you don't watch it, I would recommend you to go and watch it. It is very good. The early reviews of Superman movie call it unique and damn beautiful, and all of the people were saying must go and watch the movie, and the stakes were very high for this movie, to be honest. That's everything you should know before Superman. Are you hyped for Davis Cornsfeld as new Superman, the new Man of Steel? Drop your thoughts in the comment section. Like this video and subscribe for more superhero breakdowns and storytelling. I will meet you in another video with more topics, and till then, goodbye.